is Chantel WTI. Do you have puppies that love to play in their water bowl and get water everywhere? I finally found a mat to fit both of their food bowls and water bowls, and it has been great.
I went with the extra large mat by Xiangru Rebuy, which is 24 by 32, and has such an aesthetically pleasing design that goes well in our home. It's super absorbent. So when the beagles start to wrestle and bump their water and spill it everywhere, it doesn't seep into the hardwood. It stays totally dry underneath, which is amazing. Of course, they bring in those dirty paws, but it's so easy to throw it in the washer and it doesn't stain, which is awesome. The underside is rubber, which keeps it securely in place. This mat has been the perfect solution to keeping this hallway clean and dry and keeps Ellie and Scout out of trouble with Dad.
I love that it keeps me from having to clean up water messes, but that's just my point of view.